Ever wondered how vast the universe really is? Let's embark on a journey to comprehend the sheer size of this cosmic expanse. The universe, in its unfathomable vastness, is home to an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars. And those are just the ones we know about. It's like a cosmic forest, brimming with a myriad of celestial bodies, each with its own story to tell. But wait, there's more. The space we can observe from Earth is only a tiny fraction of the whole universe. Beyond the observable universe, the cosmos stretches into infinity, filled with mysteries that we can only speculate about. It's like standing on the edge of an endless ocean, the horizon stretching out into the unknown. Now let's talk about distances. Out here in the cosmos, our earthly measures fall short, so we use light years instead. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, approximately 6 trillion miles. To put that into perspective, the nearest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.2 light years away. That means the light we see from it today actually left the star over 4 years ago. Imagine for a moment the sheer vastness of space that separates us from Proxima Centauri. And remember, it's our closest neighbor in this cosmic expanse. This astronomical scale extends far beyond, with galaxies millions and even billions of light years away. So when we gaze into the night sky, we're not only looking into the depths of space but also traveling back in time. We're witnessing cosmic history unfold right before our eyes. A silent symphony of stars and galaxies, each playing their part in the grand cosmic ballet. So in the grand scheme of things, our tiny blue planet is just a speck in this vast cosmic ocean. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? Yet it's this very vastness, this mystery, that compels us to explore, to learn, to reach out into the cosmos and find our place amongst the stars. Zooming in from the universe, we find our home, the solar system. A marvel of celestial choreography, our solar system is a testament to the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. At the heart of our solar system, we find the Sun, a middle-aged star in the prime of its life. This glowing sphere of hot, ionized gas is far more than just a source of light and heat. It's the gravitational glue that holds our solar system together, a cosmic dance floor upon which the planets pirouette. Spinning around the Sun, we find our 8 planets, each with its own unique character. Closest to the Sun, we have Mercury, a tiny cratered world that endures temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Next up is Venus, a planet whose thick toxic atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect that makes it even hotter than Mercury. Then we come to Earth, our blue marble, the only place in the solar system known to harbor life. Its neighbor, Mars, is a cold, dry world, but once it may have been much like Earth, and we wonder if it might have once harbored life as well. Beyond Mars, we find the gas giants. Jupiter, with its swirling storms and multitude of moons, is the largest planet in our solar system. Saturn, with its iconic rings, is a world of beauty and mystery. Further out, Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, are distant, cold and windswept. Our solar system is also home to a multitude of smaller bodies, including the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and the distant Kuiper belt and Oort cloud where comets are born. These objects, while small, provide valuable clues about the early solar system and the formation of the planets. Every celestial body in our solar system, from the smallest asteroid to the largest gas giant, has its own unique story to tell. From the searing heat of Mercury to the icy cold of Neptune, each planet, moon and asteroid is a chapter in the grand story of our solar system, a story that we are only just beginning to uncover. From the familiar, now let's delve into the mysterious world of black holes. Black holes. They're the cosmic enigmas that have captured imaginations for decades. But what exactly are they? In the simplest terms, black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They're like the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking in everything that strays too close. But how do these celestial monsters come into being? Well, they're typically born from the remnants of massive stars. When such a star has burned out its fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, creating a singularity, an infinitely small and dense point in space. This singularity is surrounded by an event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing can escape the black hole's gravitational pull. And this is where things get really strange. The event horizon is not just a physical boundary, it's a threshold where our understanding of the universe fundamentally changes. You see, black holes don't just devour matter, they also distort time and space. As you approach a black hole, time slows down. This is due to something known as time dilation, a prediction of Einstein's theory of relativity. Imagine you're watching a clock falling into a black hole. From your perspective, the clock will appear to tick slower and slower as it approaches the event horizon. And once it crosses that boundary, time, as we understand it, stops. The clock is frozen, forever falling but never quite reaching the singularity. But don't be fooled into thinking that black holes are just cosmic oddities with no effect on our universe. Their intense gravity can influence the orbits of planets and stars, and their appetite for devouring matter can shape the growth and evolution of galaxies. Black holes, the cosmic monsters, continue to baffle scientists with their enigmatic nature, yet their mystery is part of their allure, inviting us to question, to explore, and to unravel the secrets of our universe. Are we alone in the universe? This question has captivated human curiosity for centuries, leading to the relentless search for extraterrestrial life. We've peered into the deepest corners of the cosmos, listened for signals from distant stars, and sent probes to the farthest reaches of our solar system, all in the hope of answering this tantalizing question. The conditions required for life as we understand it are quite specific. Water is considered a critical ingredient, along with a stable source of energy such as our sun, and a suitable atmosphere to protect against harsh cosmic rays. These conditions create what scientists call the habitable zone around a star, a Goldilocks region where it's not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life to potentially exist. Our search for life beyond Earth has led us to places closer to home, like Mars. The Red Planet has been the focus of numerous missions, such as NASA's Perseverance rover, which is currently exploring the Jezero crater, a place where scientists believe water once flowed. The rover is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, capable of analyzing soil samples for signs of ancient microbial life. This mission could potentially prove that life once existed on Mars, changing our understanding of our place in the universe. But our search doesn't stop at Mars. We're also looking beyond, to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and even to exoplanets orbiting distant stars. These celestial bodies may harbor the right conditions for life, and future missions aim to uncover their secrets. The search for alien life is more than a quest for understanding, it's a journey of self-discovery. As we explore the universe around us, we learn more about ourselves and our place within it. We're reminded of our own fragility and the preciousness of life on our pale blue dot. The question of whether we are alone in the universe remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries, but with every step we take into the cosmos, we move closer to the answer. What does the future hold for our journey into the cosmos? As we stand on the precipice of a new era, the future of space exploration presents a tantalizing panorama of possibilities. Imagine, if you will, humankind setting foot on Mars for the first time. This isn't the realm of science fiction anymore, it's a tangible goal we're tirelessly working towards. Numerous space agencies worldwide, including NASA and SpaceX, have their sights set on the Red Planet, planning manned missions within the next 10 years. The aim is not just to visit Mars, but to stay, establishing a permanent human presence beyond Earth, a testament to our indomitable spirit of exploration. And Mars is just the beginning. The concept of colonizing other planets is fast transitioning from a distant dream to a feasible reality. Picture self-sustaining colonies on the Moon, or even floating cities in the clouds of Venus. These are not mere flights of fancy, but serious propositions being considered by scientists and engineers around the globe. The future will also see us peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. The next generation of telescopes, like the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, will allow us to observe the farthest reaches of the universe in unprecedented detail. We'll witness the birth of stars, glimpse into the heart of galaxies, and perhaps even detect signs of life on distant exoplanets. But for all our technological advancements, the cosmos remains largely uncharted territory. As we venture forth into the unknown, we must remember that space is not just a destination, but a journey of discovery, of pushing boundaries, and of understanding our place in the grand cosmic scheme. Indeed, the future of space exploration is not just about reaching new worlds, but about expanding our horizons, redefining what's possible, and daring to dream big. As we look towards the stars, we are reminded that our journey into the cosmos is only just beginning. The future of space exploration is bright, filled with infinite possibilities and countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Space, as we've seen, is a vast, complex, and mysterious frontier that continues to fascinate us. Its immensity is beyond human comprehension, and yet, we strive to understand it, to grapple with its complexities and to unravel its mysteries. We began our journey by acknowledging the sheer vastness of the universe, an expanse so great that it defies our understanding. filled with countless galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars. It's a scale that humbles us, a reminder of our infinitesimal place in the grand cosmic scheme. Then we turned our gaze closer to home, to our very own solar system. We marveled at the unique characteristics of our neighboring planets, the icy rings of Saturn, the ferocious storms on Jupiter, and the tantalizing possibility of life on Mars. We've seen how each planet, each moon, each comet and asteroid tells a unique story in the grand narrative of our solar system. From there we delved into the enigmatic world of black holes, those cosmic abysses where space and time fold onto themselves. We touched on their formation, their characteristics, and the role they play in the universe. These celestial phenomena, though seemingly destructive, are vital elements in the cosmic order. We then pondered on one of the most compelling questions of our time, the search for alien life. We discussed the ongoing efforts to detect signs of extraterrestrial life, the exciting discoveries of potentially habitable exoplanets, and the enduring hope that we are not alone in the universe. Finally, we looked towards the future of space exploration, a future filled with promise and potential. We talked about the exciting advancements in technology, the bold missions planned for the coming decades, and our ambition to become an interplanetary species. As we continue to explore, each new discovery only serves to highlight how much more there is to learn about this incredible universe we call home.